Today we'll learn about the definite article and we'll discuss the second rule, how we use the. Let's see what it is. Always remember, with a number of expressions referring to our physical environment or to other common features of our life, we will use the before such kind of words. Let's see the examples. First one, see, town or country. What we are going to do, they are part of our physical environment or a life. So we'll use the before town. We'll not say only town, or we'll use the before country. We'll not use only country. Let's see the sentence. Do you prefer the town or the country? Remember, we'll not say do you prefer town or country. We have to use the before town or the country. Second example, wind. Wind is also part of our physical environment. So before wind, we should use definite article the whenever we use it. I love listening to the wind. It will not be I love listening to wind. We will use the before wind. Another example, the music. Music is also part of our life. So we'll use the before it. We'll not use music without the. Let's see the sentence. The music is very loud. We'll not say music is very loud. Rather, we'll say the music is very loud. Another example is future. So it's also part of our life. So we'll use the before future. Never use future without the definite article the. Let's see the example. We must plan for the future. So it is future, part of our life. So before future, we must use the. Thank you for watching.